Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about trichomoniasis. So, what is a trichomoniasis? So, trichomoniasis it is a parasitic infection. So, trichomoniasis is a parasitic infection. The infection it is a parasitic infection. The infection is occur in the vagina, occur in the vagina or male genital tract, or it is a female and in male genital tract, genital male genital tract with the trichomonas. So what is the full name? So full name is the trichomonas vaginalis. Trichomonas vaginalis. So the Trichomonas vaginalis it causes the trichomoniasis in the vagina or genital male genital tract. So it is a flagellated and sexually transmitted protozoan infection. It is a flagellated and sexually transmitted protozoan infection. The infection in female 20 percentage more than men. So it is a 20 percentage is occur in the 20 above extra 20 percentage is occurs in the female character compared than the men. So the next one, what is the source? So source is the men. Source is the man. And the next one, mode of transmission. Mode of transmission. So mode of transmission it is a sexually intercourse. Sexually intercourse. And the next one, what is the signs and symptoms? Signs and symptoms. So signs and symptoms it is first one is it is a yellow green and vaginal frothy vaginal discharge occur in the female character. So yellow green frothy vaginal discharge with the soreness of the value of perineum. And the next one, sometimes it is red strawberry spots, red or strawberry spots are occur. The next one, it is sometimes the utilized results is a discharge that may discharge. And the next one, sometimes it is occur in the maximum occur in the this particular this type of discharge is occur in the morning time, time. And the next one, foul like smell occur and itching, burning, and painful urination. Painful urination also seen in their in the body with the this trichomoniasis. And the next one, how to diagnosis? How to diagnosis? So how to diagnosis? So diagnosis, the first one is the microscopic examinations. Microscopic examination. And then dipsticks tests. Dipsticks test. And the next one, culture of urine test. Culture of urine. Immunochromographic test. immunochromographic test, and dipstick tests. So these tests are available for the determination of trichomoniasis is presented in our body or not. And the next one, what is the treatment? What is the treatment? So treatment is first one is the oral metronidazole. Oral metronidazole, tinidazole, and etc. So this is about the trichomoniasis. Simply, trichomoniasis is occur in the male and female sexual organism. So what is the symptoms? What is the signs and symptoms? So how to mode of transmission? What is the source? How to diagnosis? What is the treatment? So this is about trichomoniasis. If you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.